The maintenance shop's service code table contains the failure codes or failure reasons for the different assets. So if you go to Utility, Master Tables, Service Code, and like all of the maintenance shop, it's list and tabs. And click the list, and you'll see a list of your service codes. So we'll double click on one. And you can see that the service code table contains a service code ID, a description. You have a field for standard hours, and then two other fields that are specifically used for preventive maintenance service codes. So for any standard service codes that do not have anything to do or are not related with preventive maintenance, you do not need to have any values in those two fields. The standard hours are what would be the book time or the average time to complete that specific repair. And that's not mandatory fields. So that's, you can use that or not use it. And any time that you're posting to the work order history, the standard hour is posted along with the actual hours. And then you can use that to run productivity reports for your technicians. So to set up a new service code, simply click New, enter a service code ID. And we're not going to put a standard hours because they could vary on that job. And click Save. Now I mentioned the preventive maintenance service codes. If we go to our list, and I generally like to use different service codes or different series to signify preventive maintenance services. So if we take this service code and we see that you have the service code ID, this is a preventive maintenance 250 hours or 90 days. Should take an hour to perform. And here you'll see you have a value of days between or hours between. And you can use either or. You can have a 90-day PM and simply put in the value of 90 for non-metered assets, or you can use hours. So when a job is open in a work order, be sure to code it as a type P for the repair reason and select the proper preventive maintenance service code. And the system will then apply these variables to that asset and update the preventive maintenance schedule accordingly. So to review, the service code table contains the failure reasons, systems for your different assets, and they also contain preventive maintenance service codes that are used to trigger the preventive maintenance schedule feature of the maintenance shop. And that's the service code master table in the maintenance shop.